Alright everybody, today I am going to change out the headlight assemblies on my 2004 Jeep. This will be the second time I've done this since I've had the car. Maybe you can see, but yeah, they're pretty hazy and scratched up. I tried the easy way out of polish, several degrees of polishing from from coarse to fine to get it out. It was just too far gone. I spent about an hour on them and it didn't make any difference. So we're going to show you the process, which hopefully will be fairly simple. You just see a little bit of damage there. I don't know if you can. There you go. Yeah, it's just all scratched and fogged over. So anyway, it's going to be fairly easy. From what I understand, all I'm going to need is a simple socket set. And of course, the new headlamps. And there they are, a little bit different style. So we'll check back in. Hey everybody, today we're going to do something a little different. This channel is not just about travel, but it's about my life in general and things that I do and things that I think other people might enjoy or find helpful. So today we're going to do a headlight swap on my 2004 Jeep. Really easy, took about 10 minutes, with the exception of having to run to the store and get a bulb that was missing. So hang out, check it out, you may enjoy it. Good morning. Use a 9/32. I'm not sure if you can see that on there. Just to take this little bolt out. Pretty long, but the threaded end is not that long, so it's not going to be that bad. And I think that's it. And there she is. No problem. Now we're going to set you right here. Let you see a little bit of this. There was a suggestion to use WD-40 to loosen up. Some WD-40 to loosen up some of the connections down in there. We'll try it. I don't know if it's going to be necessary or not, but you got to get down in there and you can sort of see. To see where they are. There's 3 of them. So we've done that, and this assembly should just pull straight out. We're gonna give it a shot. Oh, I hear one coming. There she goes. Now we'll bring you in a little closer. Hopefully we didn't do any damage there. It just comes right out. And you can see those little points that they wanted us to spray, the little knobs, where they wanted us to spray the, down below down there, where they wanted us to spray the WD-40 to help get it out. And that'll help it go back in easier too. So now we're just gonna disconnect these lights, which we'll try to show you. Maybe. Okay. these should just twist out. Wa-da-da-boo. Not too very easy. Very easy. We have some specialty lights in this rig. Some strobes that we have because this is an EMS vehicle on the side. Got side ones. Amber coming out. Looks like we're gonna have some amber coming out there. And last but not least, this big one. Okay, there we go. Hopefully, there she goes. Another amber. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Out with the old, in with the new. We'll be right back and we'll show you. It's just going to reverse this process. Put the lights back in, pop the new one in, and we'll show you the finished product. Like a new car. It's amazing what $85 total can get you in about 10 minutes worth of work. Definitely worth it. Definitely.